This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm in the South Loop on the 40th floor rooftop terrace of 1001 South State, looking out over a fabulous panoramic view of the skyline to the north, out toward Navy Pier, looking out over Grant Park, museum campus, and panning around to the south. This is a terrific location, close to CTA trains, grocery shopping, dining, nightlife, everything just a short walk away, and fabulous views in the building in every direction. I'm headed downstairs for a walk through one of the apartments. I'm in apartment 2803, a one-bedroom on the northeast corner of the building, looking out through a curving wall of floor-to-ceiling windows to the northwest, turning to the north, and turning further for a great view out over Grant Park, the museum campus, toward Lake Michigan. Great wall of windows with roller shades. It's plank flooring and high ceilings. Galley-style kitchen. As a breakfast bar, a white quartz counter. Looks like you can seat 4 at the breakfast bar. It's both pendant and dome lighting in the kitchen. Stainless steel appliance package includes a 4-burner gas range, built-in microwave and dishwasher, good cabinet counter space, and looking out toward this fabulous view. Turning into the bedroom, view is out to the east. Again, you have those great floor-to-ceiling windows. Plank flooring is set at a diagonal in this space. And closet has both shelving and hanging space. Heading back toward the entryway, very stylish bath. The vanity with plenty of counter space. Again, a quartz countertop. Drawers in the vanity for storage and a triple mirrored medicine cabinet up above. A frameless glass door shower with floor-to-ceiling tile. Looking at the entryway, it's a wide closet that would have been off to your left as you entered. Again, custom organizers, and just about perfect placement for it. In-unit washer dryer away from the main living and sleeping areas. 1001 South State has a very convenient location, a really extensive suite of amenities. Building is pet friendly and it belongs high on your must-see list. Head to the building's website to see more floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.